Hello again from Forex Info US. It's been a couple of days since I posted. I've been away and we've had some really interesting developments with the euro in the last couple of days. So let's have a look and see what's happening. In our last post I said that if it breached the previous high of, I think it's 1.484, where are we? 1.484 over here on the 22nd of September, that we'd have to revise our wave count. So it has, we've revised our wave count. We've still got A, B still coming up for a high of 5 and C here. So within this is a very long extended 5. It does look a lot longer, but the number of pips that it's moved up from here to here compared to 3, here to here, it's still less of an increase in price. It's just taken a long time. The slope is very low. We're still looking at this lower trend line here, waiting for that to be breached in order for our high to be firmly validated. Looking at this upper trend line here, you can see that wave 3 overshot it, which is very common for wave 3. Wave 3 being an extreme in price and volatility often overshoots the upper trend line. Looking at the MACD as well, the high on MACD corresponding with the high on wave 3, the high that we've got so far corresponding with this high on 5, we still have a divergence. From here to here, there's still a divergence in these slopes. So this is still confirmation that we are coming up for a high of 5 and C, which is just extending further than expected. So at this juncture, from Forex Info, we advise patience and just waiting. You don't always have to be in the game, you just have to wait and see sometimes. This is a really critical juncture, waiting for the end of a major high of a pattern and the beginning of a new pattern. It's probably best to be very cautious at this stage and just wait and see what's going to happen. It could still go up for another high. If it turns down, it could hit this lower trend line and bounce up again. I don't think it's going to do that, but hey, I've been proved wrong on that one before. When it does eventually turn back down, we're really going to be looking very carefully at when it hits this lower trend line, what does it do? Is it going to bounce through it? Once it bounces through it and breaches this trend line, then we're going to be pretty confident that a high is in place and we're in a downwards movement lasting months. So patience is advised from all here at Forex Info US. May all your trades be profitable and have a good day.